In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 operating system. So if you want to check whether Java JDK is installed in your computer, so first open your command prompt by searching it in a search box and then open it. And if once the command prompt is open, just type java space hyphen version and then click enter. If the command gives you this type of response, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. If it shows like this, then the Java JDK is not installed in your computer. And there is another way to find whether Java JDK is installed in your computer. Type java c space hyphen version and it also shows you the same response. And now let us see how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, open a browser and search for Java JDK download. And the very first link which will appear is from oracle.com. So I am going to just click on this link. And you can see that here the latest version of the Java is Java SE 15. And when you scroll it down, Java SE 11 LTS, it is the long-term support version. And we also have Java SE 8. So in this video, we are going to install latest version, that is Java SE 15. Under this Java SE 15, you can see that there is a Java JDK download option. So just click on that option. And once this page is open, when you scroll it down, you will see a Java SE development kit. It is 15.0.2. And then here you can see that all the operating systems for which Java JDK is available. Now for Windows operating system, this JDK 15.0.2 Windows 64 bin.exe is available. So just click on this link. Tick on this pop-up box and just click download. So once this file is downloaded, I am going to just click on this executable file. And now you can see the installation setup window and I am going to just click next. And now on this next window, this will be the default location where the Java JDK will be installed. So don't change anything, just leave it and click on next button. And now it's going to copy these files. And after a few seconds, you will be able to see this message which says that Java SE Development Kit 15.0.2 64-bit is successfully installed. And now just close this window. And now what you want to do is go to the location where this Java JDK is installed on your computer. So for this, go to this PC icon and then click on local disk C. And now click on program files and click Java. And inside Java, you can see JDK 15.0.2 and this is the version that has been installed on your computer. So I'll just click on this. And now a very important folder here is the bin folder. So click on this bin folder. So all the Java related files will be there in this bin folder. And the next step is to set the bin folder as our environment variable so that we can run all the Java related commands from the command prompt. So just copy this path up to the bin folder. And now just go to the window icon and go for settings. Next, you can search of environment variables. And here we need to choose this edit the system environment variables. Click on this. And we can see another window is displayed on the screen. So here you can see that environment variable. So click on this environment variables. And here you need to set the environment variables Now click on the path environment variables and then click on edit. And you can see that another window is open. And now here just paste your path from the Java bin folder. And also if you want to develop Java or Java related tools, you need to set your Java home environment variables. So to set Java home environment variables, what you want to do is you just click on new button. For variable name, you need to give Java underscore home. For this, all letters should be in capital letters. And the value for the variable value will be path up to the Java folder. You just need to copy up to the Java folder and then paste it here. And then click OK. Now you just close all the windows. And open command prompt. So here I am going to check all the Java related commands. So the first command we are going to check is Java version. So for that we are going to just give Java space hyphen version and then click enter. It will show you that Java version 15.0.2 in Java SE runtime environment. So it will give you this type of information. It means the Java version is installed. And here you don't need to install JRE separately because Java runtime environment it is also have been installed in your computer, so you don't want to install it separately. And now here we are going to check another command, that is Java C command. So for that we need to give Java C space hyphen version. Here you can see that the version of the Java C command. And next one more command that we are going to give is to check whether the environment variable is set for Java home environment variable, and that command is echo echo space percentage Java underscore home percentage and then click enter, and it is going to give you the path which we have set in our Java home environment variable, and it's done. So now we are ready to work with Java on Windows 10 operating system. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.